Welcome to Talidako's Classroom YouTube channel. Hello, welcome back to Talidako's Classroom YouTube channel. On this video, we will learn another grammar in Mandarin. What is the grammar? We will learn how to make a question with 在哪里? What is the meaning of 在哪里? The meaning is where at. So you use this question when you want to ask someone about a place. But remember, when you want to ask someone, you have to start your question with 请问. Excuse me.
请问 blah 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 在哪里?
Okay, now I will show you how to use it on a conversation. Okay, 你好，阿姨，请问图书馆在哪里？
图书馆在学校前面。
嘿，小朋友你好，请问公园在哪里？
公园在图书馆对面。
你好，请问市场在哪里？
市场在我家附近。
And remember to say 谢谢您 after they answer your question.
Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe my channel and like this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye!